Hello guys, I'm back again, and in this video I'm just showing you guys how I do basic braid using my own hair. And I'm just showing you how I part this hair. This is the amount I'll be using, and I'm just separating it into 3 parts, and I just drop the remainder up so they won't get tangled in what I'm doing. As you can see, my 3 parts, and I'm putting the hair in, and I'm just doing the easy way, under, over, under, over. And this has been done on the right side. Note they're really small, and I'm just braiding this out to the end. I'm doing it rather fast, but I'm sure you guys can see what I'm doing. And if you're a person who just like to flash and go, this hairstyle is for you, because you don't have to do much. Just oil your hair and that's it. And this is the end of it, as you can see. I'm almost finished. I'm just doing the same. It's continued. Same braided hair. It takes time, but it's worth it after. So these are the ones that I've completed so far, as you can see. And on the end of my hair, I used a elastic band to safeguard the hair so it won't loosen out after I'm finished. And you can put them at the end exactly, because they will fall off if they get wet. So I put them rather a little bit above the end. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Remember to like and subscribe for more. And this is the following. It's the end.